Hello students, in this session we are going to discuss with the remaining questions of our unit Hello Alkenes and Hello Arenes from NCERT textbook. Now let's start with our remaining question. So today we are going to discuss with the question number 10.20. The question 10.20 says, the treatment of alkyl chlorides with aqueous KOH leads to the formation of alcohol, but in the presence of alcoholic KOH, it leads to the alkenes as a major product. Explain. So now look over here. The question what it does saying, CH3, CH2Cl plus KOH, aqueous. When it is treating with the aqueous KOH, it is giving a alcohol, and when we are treating it with the CH3 CH2Cl plus KOH alcoholic, it is giving a alkene plus KCl plus water. Now what is the reason behind it? In the theory classes I have already discussed this question, and I told also that it is a very important question. Let's look over here. Your KOH, when it dissociates in the presence of a H2O, it dissociates completely into K plus OH minus. Okay, and when you are taking a alcoholic KOH, it is also dissociating into a K plus OH minus. But in this case, when we are saying that it is an alcoholic, there is a presence of a C2H5OH also, which also gets dissociated into C2H5O negative and H plus. It is a act as a strong base. When it is going to act as a strong base, therefore what it do, it takes the H plus and it makes the alkene. और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, water की presence है, this water gets surrounded over here, तो ये H को नहीं लेके जा पाता है. This is the reason behind this question. Now coming to the next question, that is your question number 10.21. Now the question number 10.21 says, a primary alkyl halide C4H9Br. अब C4H9Br को आप क्या लिख सकते हो, CH3 CH2 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 Br, और इसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो CH3 CH CH2 Br CH3, दोनों ही C4H9Br है. It is saying further, A reacted with alcoholic KOH to give a compound B. Okay. Now alcoholic KOH के साथ react कर रहा है, it means that our A is going to be this. Now it is reacting with the alcoholic KOH. अब ये जब alcoholic KOH के साथ react कर रहा है, it means what is happening, CH3 C double bond CH2 CH3. Okay, it means that this has become your B. Now this B is further, it is saying, is reacted with the HBr to give C plus HBr. अब जब ये HBr के साथ react करेगा तो CH3 C CH3 C H3 and we are going to come. Then it is saying that it means it is going to be a C. फिर it is saying this, that which is a isomer of a A. तो ये इसका isomer हो गया, यहाँ पे first position पे था, यहाँ पे second position पे, and the carbon chain is same. Then it is saying what, that when A is reacted with sodium metal, मतलब इसी को अगर सोडियम मेटल के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं, then it is going to give you a C8H18. See, means double हो रहे हैं. It means it is going to have a Woods reaction. अब Woods reaction होगी तो minus 2NaBr हो गया और यहाँ पे क्या हो गया CH3 CH CH3 CH2 means यहाँ पे ये दो मॉलिक्यूल हो गए. These two molecules you are going to write for this particular CH CH2 CH3 CH3. ओके, या आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो CH2 CH CH. Okay, so this is going to be your clear. Now coming to the last question of this exercise, question number 10.22. 10.22 क्या कहता है? N-butyl chloride is treated with alcoholic KOH. CH2 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 Cl plus alcoholic KOH. अब तो हमने इतने सारे क्वेश्चन कर लिए हैं. For this that you can write down very easily these reactions. Okay. B says bromobenzene is treated with Mg in the presence of the dry ether. Plus Mg in the presence of the ये आपका ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट बन गया. फिनाइल फिनाइल मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड. C part says फ्लोरोबेंजीन इज सब्जेक्टेड टू हाइड्रोलिसिस. अब देखो ये वाली जो रिएक्शन है hydrolysis, it is going to give a no reaction. Why? Because आपकी क्लोरीन के पास there is the presence of the lone pair. D part, it says ethyl chloride is treated with aqueous KOH, CH3 CH2 Cl plus aqueous KOH. अब aqueous KOH है तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे CH3 CH3 हो जाएगा मीन C2H6 प्लस KCl. एक मिनट बेटे CH3 aqueous KOH है ना OH प्लस KCl. Okay. Coming to the next part, that is your E part. Methyl bromide is treated with sodium in presence of dry ether. Dry ether और sodium है, it means it is a Woods reaction. So it is going to be what? It is going to be CH3 plus 2NaBr. And your last is methyl chloride is treated with KCl. KCl के साथ treat हो रहा है, means there is the increment of the your carbon atom. C triple bond N plus KCl. Got it? With this we finish our exercise questions of the haloalkane and